2012 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, OnStar, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, Bose sound system, running boards, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control, keyless start, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, MP3 playback stereo, backup camera. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.